yesterday without a single losing trade. I took like 11 trades in it, passed that eval in one day with no problem at all. I know it's all mental.
It's completely
No,
mental.
it is.
Like, and then I took an FOMC trade for $1,000 after that.
Oh,
Yeah.
jeez.
So I don't know. I don't know what the hell my deal is.
It's mental. It's mental.
We gotta get you
It's
on
whatever.
that.
You gotta. It's whatever happened to cause you to blow that. You have to think what you were
I'm
thinking.
scared on my entries. Is what the
Yeah.
hell it is.
And that's most people. It's not just you. It's most people. Most
Go
people.
down to micros on your
I was
PAs.
just
Then
about to say that. I said it's not a bad idea
to just do
to
micros on your PAs for a while
until you get comfortable with your executions.
until you get the heebie-jeebies out of
Yeah.
you.
Most people aren't willing to put that time into it, but because they want to trade big and get the payout quick. But I would venture that the other way around. I mean, I trade anytime I get a new PA, I trade it in micros till I get to a certain dollar amount. I just won't even because I want to.
That's what I would suggest.
I mean, it's boring and it sucks because it takes longer to get the payout. But once they get the payout and you have a nice little cushion, it's highly unlikely you're going to blow it.
Then you'd go to minis.
Yeah, then I switch over to minis. Exactly.
What about that, Stefan?
I'm switching everything right now.
Change it to micros. Trade micros with your PAs. That way you can actually trade them too.
And here's another thing, Stefan. You need to have there's no reason you should blow on a PA because you need to have a hard stop.
We got somebody that's doing like 20 micros or mini micros on their PAs and hitting targets with 10 of them and trailing 10 and doing really well with it.
But again,
I'm switching it down to just half size, like 3 targets, 5 micros on each.
That might be it. That might be a good idea.
Yeah, but you still need to have a hard catastrophic loss. Like you should never blow a PA. You should walk away at a point that you can come back. I mean, we preach this all the time. All your losses should be recoverable.
Oh, on your PAs, yes. Set a broker stop. Set a daily broker stop. That way you can't blow it in a day. If you have a PA, set a broker stop of like what, $400? I don't know.
I mean, honestly, at first, I wouldn't do more than $200 or $300. Once you get some, like mine are at, anywhere from $500 to $750, depending on how much I have in that balance.
I don't really use prop accounts, Greg. I use prop accounts right now just to test new products, but I got one little one. I need to call. You got to remind me to trade it. I gotta switch over and trade it every now and then. I forget to.
All right, one more minute. See what happens. Oh, 20 micros. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't be trading.
I think he was using
micros on 50K, maybe 150, 250.
I'm not. I'm not really sure what size the account was, Greg. I gotta be honest with you. I can ask him. I think they are. I think they were 50Ks. I was actually literally thinking about selling that, guys. But we're coming into the open here. And they stole that thing overnight, didn't they?
Mm-hmm.
Back to another inside day, back to the same area where we found out before. I'm having a hard time telling myself they're not trying to collect long contracts now, guys. So watch out for that 74 level as a buying opportunity is the point I'm trying to make here. Maybe around 70. Around 83. Yeah. Let me find out who it was, Greg. Yeah. I'll ask for you. It's in my email somewhere. I just got tons of them. I still have to reply to homework emails too. So let me just dig around. I'll do it. And I'll ask him. I'm pretty sure it's something like whatever the next size up was. I don't know what the sizes are they offer. What are the sizes they offer? 50, 100, 250?
50, 100, 150, 250.
Okay. YM, a little bear flag forming on the YM there, guys. 1 minute after you open. Doesn't look like that's slowing down on the selling side. So, man, I was so tempted to jump into that short too. Well, turn my little short button on. See if that works. Let's make sure our zones are good too.
All right. What do we got?
Boy. All right, zone should be updated. Momentarily. Oh man, I even said right around 80, right? There was that buy signal that came right around that zone there. Just ticked right off of it. Double check something here. Well, if this starts to finish 4 a.m., you guys probably look to short it. I don't like where it's going. Well, I guess it's a prior swing there. We got a couple prior swings that are actually like between levels, which price could react from. I'd rather do it from the zone, but hey, where do we come from? So I mean, same as yesterday. 10 should be a pretty strong resistance number. So the zone up here should be pretty strong. I'll leave my sell button on.
Oh, wait.
Order filled.
Little consolidation here. We'll see a little breakout in a second. So
Just
I'll
don't-
post this.
Don't like this right here. Getting a sell here.
Yep, I just told you guys.
Yeah.
Told
So I don't
everybody.
like that HM. I mean the.
I stole it.
You sold it. Good job.
Yeah.
Really would have liked it up into that. So I want to put it a tad higher. That's valid.
I
Keep on going.
I assessed it. I kept saying, you know what? That's between swinging and
Close
zone.
enough.
Close enough.
Close
for me
enough
to-
for government work.
I put a sell stop in. It hit it and took my target. So
You take a break of that. No. Yeah. Yeah, I could Monday morning quarterback it all day long and be should have
should, could have, would have,
Shoulda,
but
coulda,
no,
woulda,
I mean,
yeah.
you know, it's where it left from yesterday. So I started thinking about, well, you know, if there's really going to be some selling that ignites, it should do it around from here up to 10. So, and I'll try it again at 10. That's part of my game plan today. And the whatever, you guys know I can spell. This is your simple game plan. So the market's kind of pretty much the markets have pretty much given us pretty little guide here, guys. Pretty nice little guide with the overnight with the range that has started between that say that 6 a.m. ish time frame till now. So a breakout of either side of that range for any of the indexes would ignite buying or selling pressure in that direction. Again, it is interesting that they sold that back off overnight on the daily. So, oops, I look at that and then I start thinking, okay, well, we're here again. Here we are again, right? This should have already ignited some buying. A little bit of resistance, not a ton. Again, people bought from here. So, and we're staying above that little area of June that I didn't like so much, or I like because I know that's a good area to trade from. So as long as it stays above all that stuff, we should be good, clean and clear to trade normally. But if it does sink back down in there, it's going to get ugly. Going to get ugly. UGLY, you ugly. Seriously though, but if it does get back down in there, you guys be cautious. It will be ugly. There's going to be a lot of price battle, if you will, in that area. Made some fancy stuffed burgers last night. They were delicious. I mean, the 89 is crossing, but they're not getting very much separation here, guys. So I still say this is kind of, I mean, we know we're range bound neutral territory here. So let's give this one last chance. And they, again, they may push it down again overnight to buy it. So if they do, I'll take it that direction. I'll give it one last chance here. One more chance. I'll give it one last chance. With the other trader too. If it puts me in, I'll take it. If not, I'm not going to take a trade here. There's a bull flag. It looks like too. Doesn't look like we're going to get that trade. And there was the tick reversal that formed there. You're in the middle of no man's land on the YM.
Order filled.
Hey, it put me in. A little late there, buddy, but
Target filled.
target filled. All right, anybody do the M with me? Told you I was going to give it one more chance up here. All right, Gracie, Rich, good job. I mean, I have my sell button on it for a reason, people. I'm only going to get that one more ticket. See if this wants to continue to fall there. It's probably going to come back, try to take our stops, and then turn around and go again. But good little winner. Probably it's going to turn back around now. And I'm still going to stick with my same plans yesterday, guys. If I see a bigger M anywhere up around here to that 20, where'd they get it to yesterday? They got it the exact, well, look at this. I mean, let's look, even overnight, they got it to the exact price that we were looking at them getting it to. Remember us talking about this yesterday, guys? They even pushed it to that 70 level and backed immediately off of it. Yeah, so this is a sign that says that this 60 level is strong. But again, still look at this 60-minute chart and start saying higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. 60-minute trend can be changing to up. But typically you're going to see a bigger drive than that, and there it is moving up for you guys. So should have called signal. Didn't make a bigger M. Again, guys, keep in mind at the extremes. So probably maybe if price gets up to 70 again, 60, you look for a bigger M. I don't know. There's a reason somebody sold the crap out of it last night. Other than that, we take some long trades all the way up because it looks like it should push up there now. I think that's in the daily plan, right? If it breaks the current range that was made over around 6 a.m., Looks like the markets are breaking said range. So look for ourselves a buy signal here. Really tempting to call this a bull flag, guys. Really tempted. If you're big green this morning, that's one you might want to take a chance on. If you're not big green, be patient. All right, maybe we'll get a decent buy signal then. Slow market. Try not to be so fast on us. Get a little W, I'd look at buying it.
Order submitted.
If you give W to finish, you might want to look at buying that.
Yeah, I like that.
Order filled.
You coming from zone, retest trade. Should be a good trade.
Target filled.
There you guys go.
Target filled.
There she blows. 2 targets off. Anybody grabbing a piece of this? Call that with plenty of time to get a good. What was your entry, Stefan?
What was my entry? Let me take a look. It was 57.12.
Okay, so you're a tick behind me. That's not horrible. I did the midpoint right on, and 12 is technically 1 tick.
I got 2 targets off and I closed it. I was like, man, I just need to. I'm probably
Get a little positive. All right.
I'm probably just gonna leave it here. I'm
Gotta
up
be a little
175
feel good.
today. I was already up 62.50. I
175.
just need a green day on my PA. This is a
Gotta
brand
get that
new-
emotional win.
Well, just walk away from that account then.
I'll tell you how bad it's gotten mentally. My best friend of 30 years does hypnotherapy, like those long 4-hour sessions. She's doing one this weekend to work on my confidence for me.
Oh, sweet.
I was like, I'll give anything a shot at this point.
That's it. But it probably won't hurt. I got to be honest with you.
It can't hurt.
People laugh at it.
That's the thing.
People laugh at it, but I mean, it's
If anything, I'll get a good nap.
yeah. If anything, get a good nap. I mean, here's the way I feel about it is I still like listen to meditation stuff with positive affirmations and stuff like that
Yeah.
because I think it just helps your mental state of mind in general all the time. So
Yeah.
it can't hurt your mental state of mind. Is the point I'm trying to make.
Yep.
Anything you can do, meditate. I'm a big fan of meditating. Keep your heart rate and mind rate down. I think it'll work. I think that'll help you out. Well,
Yeah.
But do this too. Walk away from that PA today
Yeah.
and trade a different account. Keep it green. Again, think about this. If you can do this 4 or 5 days in a row, I'm telling you, that whole confidence thing will change fast, really fast.
Yeah, like
It's
I
amazing
took
how
a trade earlier, the one that you took earlier, and I'll tell you, my entry was horrible. I don't even want to say what that one was. I was lucky. I got target 1 off, and I think I was 1 tick from getting stopped out, and came back. I got target 1 off, and I closed it out. Thank God, because I would have gotten killed.
good job. 11 Gracia. Oh man, you guys nailed it. Okay. Sorry, I wasn't ignoring you, Stephen. I was just looking at the entries. 82 Lady. Wait, 5682. You've been in since 5682? Hook 'em? Down here on the reversal? Nice. That is day done status there, buddy. That is day done status. Make sure you have the rolled over contract, but you're still at day done status, dude. And I'm pretty confident that we're going to make 20 at least on this. So I'm just leaving my stop a little looser. If you have to tighten them up because you're in a PA or something, or in a prop account, do so. But
There's news in a few minutes too.
Yeah, I'm going to move my stop to 1250. I don't think the news is going to do that much, but I mean, is the news going to push the market all the way back down? I don't think that. Not after the price action from the past couple of days. Somebody made a phone call overnight and said, "Hey, listen, I need some more contracts. Get us back down there." You guys don't think that happens today? You don't think that somebody that made a phone call was like, "Hey, listen, I need some more contracts." You know what I mean, guys? That doesn't make sense. Does it make sense? Could it have happened? Does anybody think that there's a possibility that somebody could have made a phone call yesterday and said, "Hey, don't leave without me. I need more contracts"? No, that's impossible. You really don't think that happens in the world we live in still? I don't know. You guys may be a little bit more optimistic about this world than I am, but I do not believe.
Oh, the markets aren't manipulated. What are you talking about?
You cannot convince me to even think that these things aren't just absolutely manipulated.
Never.
All right, I switched to my external speaker. Can you say something? See if I can hear you. Something? Say something, please, or don't.
Say something.
Okay, okay. Good. All right. Sometimes it gets pain in the rear to keep the headset on your ears the whole time.
Yeah, I had mine on top of my head. I forgot about it.
I switch it to So like I wear mine like sideways sometimes. I forget to switch it to the external speaker sometimes. We got news right now. Is it 5 minutes before news?
I don't think
Don't take me out. Did you get the 20? I should have tightened it up at 20. I told you guys to target 20. Looks like we got it. If I can ever find my data box. Data box. Oh, where could my data box have gone? Show data box. Did we get it this time? Data box. Oh, come on. Silliness. Like where could it be? Is there a function where you can gather windows?
Gather window. Oh, did you lose?
I can't. It's been days and I can't find my freaking data box.
I think there's a way you can push them all to the center.
Oh, that'll be fun. And then remove them around again.
and then move them around again. I
Not
think
doing
somebody.
that before
Where's
before
our
class
tech people?
today. Not gonna do that before class today. All right, we got minutes here until some news. It should be earth shattering. Probably not, considering the fact that the unemployment claims did nothing this morning. Into icon bottom window. Okay. Didn't do what? Right there. See, Brian?
Maybe close it and then open a new one.
I did. Tried that
Oh.
already. So what did we do? Justin, I hovered over the icon. Tell me what to do. Click the oh, wonderful idea. Never tried that yet.
What's that?
Justin.
Try. What if you?
Some
I don't know if you
actual
can do
live
this. Hold on.
people.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. All right. Here, I got it. Here's how you fix it. You ready?
What?
Hover over the icon. Go into your Ninja. Go like he said. Hover over
right
the icon
click, right
No.
click, and try
and
to
hit maximize. Yeah.
Yeah,
Tried that too?
Still doesn't work. I've already tried that.
Well,
too,
you're
buddy.
screwed then. Sorry, then it doesn't
You're
exist.
screwed.
There is no. That window doesn't exist.
The window does not exist. Let's try it again. Let's try data box here. Show data box. Give me a data box. Give me a long trade too. I'll double dip this baby. Hey, we got a runner on our hands, people. Who's still in with me? We're gonna go to 17.25. Anybody still in? You guys still in with me? Just slow rolling up to the promised land on the profit zone. The profits. Nobody? Did anybody take their profits at 20 because they're in a profit count? Like I told you to? Did anybody take their profits at 20? Wish I was. That's all right, Tom. We'll get you caught up to speed pretty quick, buddy. Have you talked to Paul yet? Have you guys talked yet, Paul?
Not yet, Tom. Not with Tom.
Yeah.
No,
You,
not
Tom,
yet.
you guys need to talk, chat. Get you going with us, buddy. Get
We
you
definitely-
going with us. And we'll get you some of these trades too pretty quick. You're out, Ricks. Okay. Nobody's in with me? Somebody stay long with me, please. This thing's going to the freaking moon.
I do have a dentist appointment today. Yes,
You do have a disappointment.
I do have a dentist. So he says I have a dentist appointment today. I do. Always fun.
Tomorrow or today?
Today.
I thought it's today.
I have one today. Yes, that's what he said. Tomorrow, Paul has a dentist appointment today. In other words, he's going to talk to me tomorrow.
Oh, you're gonna talk to tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'm
Brian's a little slow, Tom. Don't worry about it. We let him get on
Listen.
the mic every now and then.
listen. I
Judge
can
Wapner.
do stuff like you see on my screen and make trades well, and I can teach
But
people how to trade
speaking
well.
and talking and thinking, all that stuff is a little hard for him.
I'm good at a couple things in life. I have my talents, and I stick to them.
Smart.
Being witty is probably not one of them. I mean, being smart is probably not one of them. Let's go a couple more ticks here at 19. Looks like this 10 o'clock news is going to take us off to the moon anyway. Staying long. Everybody staying long?
Good.
Long. If you're not long, you're wrong. How about that? Can anybody say 60? Can anybody say 60? Anybody here? You know how to use words. Move this over here and put this on the same account so I can use this and some indicators. Oh, hey, look at that. That'll help pay some bills, won't it?
Yeah.
Like a couple? Anybody? You guys along with me? I just keep yelling it and nobody's saying yes. And then somebody's going to chase at the top and get stopped out and be like, you told me to go long. I told you to go long back here at like after it broke 20. I was screaming long after it broke the pivot too. Was I not, Paul?
You were. You said it.
But pretty much
I
yelling
heard
it, guys. I
heard
don't know
someone
what
say it.
I don't know what to do other than say if you're here if you're waiting to get in now, wait for the pullback. If you're not in, if you're green, treat this as a bull flag. I mean, this thing's breaking just about every single level on the way up without even hesitating. So if you're big green, you could treat that probably like a bull flag, or just wait for a little pullback, one or the other. Nice, D, nice. Obviously, Hookham has a trade of a century on his hands from 86 to 60-point trade already. 60-point trade. That's awesome, dude. I love it. And you got that turnaround from the zone at the bottom. That was just perfect, dude. From the overnight lows. Just crushed it.
Nice.
Yeah. Yeah. Take a screenshot. Post it. Let's do it real time. This is the best way for everybody to learn. Oh, do it again. Post it again. It's too far up in the chat for me.
Too much scrolling.
Too much scroll. Well, for some
It
reason,
keeps moving,
on the
though.
admin
Yeah.
side, it keeps when somebody
Yeah.
pops something in, it pops
It does that.
down.
Yeah, it keeps moving when people post and you can't get to it.
Oh, it didn't show me the exact entry here. What was your exact entry? 60.84, it looks like. If that's your entry, that's probably spot on. I have to go back and look. Like,
As soon as it crossed the HMA.
as soon as it crossed the HMA, yeah, you know that one on the head, buddy.
That's a great trade,
That's,
man.
I mean, you got in. I mean, you couldn't have done better than that. Literally, seriously, dude. Could not have done better than that. Great trade. Great trade. On the 15-minute chart, you saw the big W. This is the one. Yeah, a 60-point trade. Yeah, I mean that's like the short that I held from 57. Where's that? 76 or 80? It was 57, 76 a couple weeks ago. And we're already past the zone, so I need to update zones again. Just keep on going, buddy. It's okay with me. I'll sit here and update zones all day long and just keep moving up.
Just keep moving up.
Just keep moving on up to the east. Whoa. 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 All right, let's try to unlock. Oh, zone, you want to go with me. Now we're up at that weird little resistance area up here, guys. Might be getting a little buy opportunity coming up here in just a second, guys. Here it goes.
I missed it.
Target's off.
Can't chase it. Cannot chase it, Paul.
All right. Way to say it out loud. No, it's good. That's what we need everybody doing. Talking out loud. Talk out loud to yourselves, guys.
Yeah, I'm talking out loud to myself. I missed it.
Make your family think you're crazy. I promise it'll make you a better trader.
I talk through every trade.
Well, I have to because I'm in front of you guys. I have to talk through every trade.
But even when we're off the mic, I'm still talking through every trade. It's just the only way it works for me.
It's updated the zones. I don't know why they're not updating here on the chart.
Let me reload mine, see if they reload.
All right, now you guys are starting to get a good stop. So just hang in there for a second. Those that got long on that, just hang in for a second, guys. Don't get antsy. Just hang in there. All right, now I'm going to move my stop as soon as it breaks that new high, that previous high. I'm going to stop up under this little retracement as soon as that happens. And a couple more ticks. Let's go. Let's go. A couple more ticks. I'll go behind this little consolidation here from the zone there at, let's see, 33.25 should be pretty good. That locks in 21 points. This is how we do it. How many people getting a runner out of this? Anybody? Did people get runners from it? I know Hook'em did. Are we going to be able to play the music? Are we going to be able to play some celebratory
we
runner
might be
music?
able to celebrate just a little bit.
Did you guys get runners on this?
I did not, but I will celebrate with you.
Nice, Justin. Great job. All right, have fun in San Diego. Obviously, Hook'em got it. 21 points with me so far. Good job. Gracie, anybody else grab the runner on it? Guys, there's got to be somebody. We got 150 people here. There's got to be somebody that cracked. More than I need 5. That's my rule, right? We got to have 5 people that got runners. Or is everybody okay with us just celebrating our runner after we're done with it? There's got to be a few people that got runners. Got to be. Taylor's okay with it. All right. All right. Dan, did you get a piece of this? Okay. Curious if Dan got a piece of this one. Seems like this would be right Dan's alley. If he's here. Nice. All right. All right. If nobody has objections, we're going to celebrate the runner after this because even if you got back in on this, you probably are still going to end up with a runner. 12 ticks, Dave. Ooh, follow my stops, buddy. Follow my stops. Ask for stops, Dave. Give us your entry and stops,
Close
guys.
out with 12 ticks. No.
Give us your entries and stops, and I will tell you what to do with it. I promise. I do it all the time, every day. You guys know that. Please do.
Guys, you just have to type an S in the. If you're focused on your trade, just type an S in the message.
Yeah,
We'll,
I know.
we'll
that
give you a stop.
Yeah, I know that means stop. All right, I'm at 36.25 now. That might be a little tighter than I want it to be, but whatever.
Nice, Hook'em.
51 points, right? Wow.
Nice, buddy.
Dave, can I ask a couple questions? Like, did you enter late? Is that the reason that you got out? What was your entry, Dave? Do you mind if I ask?
Four.
57.40. So you didn't have a late entry back here.
Yeah, a little bit of a late entry. No, yeah, not much.
Oh, you did this one back here with Gracie at 57.40. Yeah, a little bit of late entry on that one, Dave. I think you're probably about a couple ticks late. That's
yeah, just a couple ticks. Not horrible, but a couple ticks.
Okay. I mean, but you should have still had your stop pulled up here to like the. Okay. No. All right. 12 ticks is probably about right for that trade then. Okay. I can't argue with that, Dave. Only thing I can argue with maybe a little bit of late entry. How about that? Fair enough.
Fair enough. It's far.
Get you on that. Start focusing on those professional candles that we're talking about in the premiere room, Dave. Order filled. Now that's
Scary. Order filled's good. Could be stopped, but the other way around with
something took me long. And stop filled. Now I'm not gonna know what account that was.
nice hook.
It made money though.
Passed it. Congrats, man. Love it. Love it. Love it. Man, I worked out on Monday. I got some tendonitis in this elbow. It's killing me. Or something. I can't even pick up my coffee cup.
I hear this thing. Wasn't
I wanted to work out today, but I don't know if I can. Yeah, we're all still
Yeah,
students, Hookem.
we are
Every
all
one of
still
us.
students.
If you ever stop being a student, that's when you're going to begin to fail.
You start failing.
The minute you think you know what you're doing, market's going to give you a little something.
It's gonna come get my stop and give you guys another long signal,
That's right.
or it might just break out from here long
I
too.
am going to take.
I mean, it just bounced off a slight area of resistance, just a slight area. I mean, this is minor compared to that 20 level that it just blew through. That 2024 that Stretch and I were talking about a couple of weeks ago. It just hesitated for a second, kept going. This should be a minor level compared to that one. It's not now for some reason. I don't understand that. Let's see if we can figure out what's going on here. Why would this be stopping? I mean, again, we know there's a little resistance there, but past couple of days, it just kind of blew through it on its way to 60. So you would think that would be the case here.
That's
But
what I got. 54.60. It's got to go.
I mean, it should.
It looks like it will, but who knows? I mean, there
Again,
should be nothing here to stop it.
We're
I
gonna
don't see
just
anything
try to
here.
figure out, like, you know, where should this stop? I mean,
Well, I don't know. I mean, you've got look left on your bigger time frame charts.
yeah, I'm looking at it. I mean, you do
got
have a
some-
little
if you look
resistance in the
there.
area,
Yeah,
but
there is stuff here.
there is some stuff. But the last price action has gone through it. Even the last price action from September had gone through it. So, I mean, there's obviously still some orders here for somebody, but this is an odd spot for them to be battling. Is the point? This is the point I'm trying to make. This is an odd spot for the battle to happen. Let's put it that way. But oh well. And it could be a classic push up. Get the novices all thinking long here, and they're all trying to take long trades. But at the end of the day, there's no reason. I mean, what was the high yesterday? Oh, I don't have a data box. You get so used to using it. Isn't there a way to turn it on your chart?
Yeah, do you have a center button on your mouse?
Do I have a center button? Yeah.
Yeah, you can just hover over the candle and push the center button, and it'll pop up the.
You're so smart.
I don't know about that. Can you move up your stop, take the profit, and run? Can you move up your stop, take the profit?
Yeah.
Yes.
70, 50, exactly. There's probably about a long signal coming here in just a second, guys.
Oh, God.
First touch rule, long. Missed it. That's when I should have been in there.
Missed it. Oh my God.
Did it on the other one. Had to be in it, guys. Had to be in it. Looking for 60. Here we go again. Here we go again.
Why are your charts not moving?
Mine aren't moving. Mine aren't moving. It's at 44.
There it goes. I had to refresh it. There you go. Little slow grinds like this will pay you out.
Just
Got to have patience, but they're
Just racked up the. Let's say fund my control center. $1,400 trade on that one. I don't think I'll be upset about that. Be
digging holes, filling them in, digging holes, filling them in, spinning my wheels.
Oh
Yeah, Westy, did you take it? Sorry, man, I didn't even call that, but yes, that was
Yeah,
that was a
60.
perfect W.
As I told you, I'm holding for 60. There's no reason in the world that I'm going to get into everything that's proper, to even not proper now because I'm plenty green.
Perfect W on that, right off the 89 on the NQ. Good job.
Anybody else going back in long with me? Taylor's got long. Anybody else jump back in long with me?
Gracia got back in. Gracia,
got back
D
in.
Nice.
Be nice, still in.
Hookem. I'm
Hook'em's
not.
still in.
Good Lord,
Well,
I'm pushing
you
the buy
should just-
button now.
At this point, Hookem, you just leave your stop somewhere that's at a ridiculous point at like 34, and let it ride
Aren't
up
you-
to 60.
Didn't you already
And then-
qualify
then
it though?
Then when it
That's what-
breaks, is it already qualified? Yeah.
If it's already qualified, just get out. What's the purpose
close
of staying in it?
Is this a paid account? It's got to be a paid account.
No, it's his eval. I think he passed it already.
Rich,
Let
is
it
it a
run
good
to see
job?
where it goes. Dude, be careful though. Don't let it come back against you
Close
because
that puppy out.
if you come back against you, that trailing stop's going to nail
Good
you.
job, Rich.
Dude, close it. It's not worth it. Just
Yeah.
close it.
Yeah.
I know you want
If you have enough money in there to pass it.
I know
close
you
it,
want to
you
pound your
trade
chest, but dude, that's a great trade. Congratulations. Now close it out.
out.
Nice. 774 on a PA. Did you get paid yet,
Beauregard.
Dorian? You're getting paid, right?
Hey, oh yeah, yeah.
Dorian's
I
getting his
forgot.
first
We all gotta
paycheck.
Celebrate
Tomorrow.
Josh Beauregard's
Nice.
First payout from a prop account. First check. I love it.
Love it.
Congratulations,
Dude,
everybody.
keep doing what you're doing. You're going to be getting
Club,
lots of first checks. Lots of checks.
Congratulate Dorian, people, because
Good job, Dorian.
big victories. This is what
Whoa,
we do.
Isaac.
Winning is contagious.
Isaac. You
I told
ran.
you had to dig a hole before we got out of it.
Well, you can get out of that. $1.
Nice,
I think you can live with that, Isaac. That's not going to kill you.
All right. Yes, to live with that. Chest pounding, sir. Just confirm.
Yeah, I'm just messing with you, Hookem. I'm not picking on you. I just don't want you to do something dumb
Yeah.
and let that thing come against you, and then you just get out, man. I get it. You can confirm your trade by just watching where it goes. You just physically want to see it go there while you're in the trade. Tell the truth.
He wants to.
You want to
He'll-
confirm your trade, just get out and watch where it went. There you go. Confirmation. That's okay, because I'd want to do the same thing too, man. Trust me. You should get 57, 56. You should get 60. I mean, I have everything right. There, 57. What'd you say? 56, 57, 56? Yeah. Oh yeah, 54. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see.
Might get a little rejection off of this one too. Let's look at the stochastics.
You get another shot, Westy, on the NQ.
Looks like you're getting more rejection here too. There was your another chance to get your targets off, guys. I don't know how long that one's gonna last, but like to see
We're
that push up.
long in the tooth now.
Like to see that put 60, man. I don't know what people are listening to,
What
but
part of 60 do you not understand?
do you not hear?
Do you not understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
50-50. All right, we knew 50 was there, so. And we're data docs needed. Just press my middle mouse button. Look at that.
It just pops it right up for you. I don't ever have the data box. I just use the button.
We'll learn something new every day. It's going to come get my stop. Don't you do that. You're supposed to go to 60. It did the other day. I mean, the other day when I told you guys it was going to go down to 10, it did it just after we closed. Oh, it should go to 60. I don't know. This is fun stuff, though, right, guys? I mean, we try to celebrate our runners, and then we had a trade immediately after that. It was too easy to resist, huh? Definitely, you could have another run on this one, guys. Go on, keep going up. Get past 50-50. Make my stop up. W action. Hopefully, you guys get a couple of these longs. I mean, we really only had one long, right? We had the obviously Hook'em's magical trade, but we talked about the short breakout here, but that was right at the open. Didn't really have much to take action on this morning, not much at all. And then once we got to here, we had the long call, and ever since then, it wasn't really much other than back here to try to get another long in. And then this first touch rule, which we did, and then the second one, couldn't resist the first touch rule. And then this one, this is the third one. One, yeah, right. 1, 2. I think I did call. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. 3 trade calls, 3 official trade calls, I guess. 4 with the short. So 4 official trade calls this morning. I mean, that's all we had. And let's ride this puppy to the moon again. Let's go to 49. Just to lock in the runner. 49.25. There we go. Runner locked in. Come on, 60. Here we go, baby. On the way to 60. And then if 60 doesn't slow it down, we got 74 in the sights. Six, all right. This will be okay. Should have left it at 49.25, but whatever. It's another runner. Anybody else getting a runner on this one other than me and D Nice? Stretch getting a runner? Anybody else getting it? There's me and D Nice. Gracie is getting a runner. Hey, maybe 5 people get a runner this time. Okay. Hey, see? Now we got everybody woken up. We're going to get 5 people with runners this time, so we'll be able to do celebration music.
No matter how bad I wanted to jump back in, I'm just leaving my PA green. Screw that.
Thank you.
I'm
Thank
not
you.
touching it,
That is,
That emotional confidence
man. I'm
today.
not touching it.
that is the sign of becoming a true professional.
You guys can thank me, because if I jumped in, it would have gone against you.
Thank you.
I'll shoot you my PayPal.
You still got to send me those trades too, bud.
All right. Well, I only took that one at 57.12.
Send it to me. Screenshot it and send it to me.
All right. I'll do that.
And the ones from the other day too, if you can get back to them.
No, I kept the data off.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Oh well. At least the ones you can get, send them to me. Let's take a look.
All right.
What's the worst that can happen? You get some good feedback.
Well, my first trade this morning, yeah, that's gonna be some bad feedback. That was a horrible entry.
Hey, dude. Yeah,
I'll send it to you.
Yeah, like I said, feedbacks is what we're here for. And I love
Nice.
doing it real time, like what Hookup did. Talking people through the entry, like guys in your entries, post the entries again. Keep your entries, people, especially if you get a good entry. That's not bragging. It's going to help other people, especially like Stefan. You get a good entry, and you post it, and he can compare his entries and say, "Oh, okay, this is where I screwed up." This is us, everybody helping each other. All right, looks like we can put our stop up here, probably under this little move here at 52.25. That's what I'm going to use. And, just, I will be DFD after this one, people. I can promise you that. Probably. I'll take my couple $1,000. Go to the bank. $2,200. I'll be happy with that today, this morning.
Good life.
Hopefully, any of the people that are here on trial that came from orientation get to see literally us doing our process. This is our trade management. I'm following it to a T this morning, am I not, guys?
Yep. Right to the T.
Nice,
Nice,
Rich.
Rich.
We're gonna have gongs. 111 points for you. Come on, that one trade.
Nice.
All right.
Anil, did you get this trade too? Did you win? Did I say that right, Anil? I hope I did. Apologies if I didn't.
To the T, yes. Oh yeah, trade management to the T this morning. It hit 60 exactly, didn't it? 60 exactly. I should have squeezed my stop a little bit.
You're gonna get it. It's gonna bounce back. It's gonna keep going. It's gonna keep creeping.
Well, next stop at 74. So
It's just
60 we
creeping
know
up.
is
This is
strong.
one of those pull back, creep up, pull back, creep up,
We
pull
know
back,
60
creep up.
strong. So let me move this over so we can look and see if we can get another entry for some people. 60 is a strong level. I mean, I've got it marked off in my tick chart too, in a weird spot.
Let it pull back, put a micro on, walk away.
Wait for the pullback. Yeah, I mean,
Get a
it should be
sizable pullback.
pretty decent buy signal. Like I would totally try that again.
I'm not in the trade, so I will try it.
I mean, I'm still in on the other one long, so, and it's gonna give it to you probably here in just a second. Just a second. You're about to get that long signal, guys. Give it just a minute. And you're about to get it, it looks like.
Just trying.
Well, we knew that. Again, we knew 60 was strong. There you go. About to get it. Anybody take their profits at 60 as per prescribed? Anybody take their profits at 60, get their runners? How many people got runners out of it? You guys are probably flat looking for a new trade, probably, unless you're way deep into it. I just had my runner locked in. It just
I
hasn't.
am long.
It literally did not tick me out. So, you guys saw where my stop was.
That's gonna get me.
Did not tick me out, but hopefully it keeps going up. Definitely have big runner locked in.
There you go.
$6 away from qualifying.
Target off.
Eval. Well, you're $6 away from qualifying another eval. If this W forms, press the buy button and you'll make that $6.
There we go.
There you go.
Boom.
$6. Go get it. It's got to be it, right, Dorian? You had to pass it on that little time move right there. If not, you're flat.
Yeah, if it fails this buy signal here, it's gonna come back.
I'm still sticking to my guns here, guys. If we get a big double top up here, I will sell it in 2 minutes flat and 2 seconds flat, actually. Hey, got the runner. All right, guys. Everybody got the runner? We got the runner. Can we celebrate one real quickly? There's going to be another long one coming up in a second. I'm probably going to pass on it unless the auto trader puts me in it. Got to be honest with you.
I am short on the fail of this buy signal.
There you go. Again, my plan was for a bigger double top. Didn't get it. So,
well, since that W
I
failed,
forgot to do this too. Look for reversal patterns today, guys.
now retrace his whole move for me. Come on. So I can celebrate.
Wouldn't be the first time.
Uh,
Don't think you're going to see it happen just
Nah.
I don't think you're going to see it happen the way you rolled up in it.
no.
Welcome to Liberty Trading Club, everyone. Miss Paulina here. Hopefully you've enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in our trade room, there's a link in the description below to start a free trial. Please like, subscribe, and share.